Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you what I like to have for a midnight snack, like supper, during the winter, nice and warm. So let's start off with the drinks. Okay, first we're going to make a hot chocolate. So we need is your cup. I've got my cup here. That took me like 20 minutes to open. My hot chocolate mixture. I've got hot chocolate one mixture. I still have my milk, if I can grab it, and then I have my kettle over here as well. So the first thing you're going to do is turn your kettle on until it starts boiling up. Mine got a light on it, so when the light stops, it stops. First, and you also need a teaspoon. So first you want to get your cup. Yeah. That's me of you first. Better. Okay, so you have your cup, and you can see right there. I'm going to put in just a bit of milk. That much milk in. And then I'm going to add a hot boiling water. I just realised I had water in the kettle, so right now I'm going to fill it up again. Okay, it's filled, so I'm going to put that on again. Hello, bismillah. By there, and just boom. So that's boiling. I'm going to add my mixture. I used that much 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons, but I will shake it. You can probably see me shaking it right now. Not that much. Put that in. Side. Now I'm going to put the mixture and the milk away. So milk. The milk goes into the fridge. The cupboard. The water's done. Yes, it's done. Hello doggies. Some of my doggies here. They're eating the food. Now when it's off, it's done. Put 3/4. Oh, be careful, it's hot. 3/4 high. So mine's about there. That's inside. Now you want to get your spoon. Sorry about the lighting. On my hand. There we go. And then I'm going to get my spoon and I'm going to screw it all together. And then my straws on. That's how. Be careful, you don't touch those hot. That's how I like to make a hot chocolate. Now, let's move on to the next one. So, the things you will need for this one is butter and cheese. I have cheddar cheese right here, my favourite, and I've got my butter. And the last ingredient we need is bread. I am going to be making a toasty today. So, and you also need a plate and a butter knife. So, I've got my plate here, down there, and also I've got my butter knife. Some fine, long, confusing. in where the toasty is. Yes, I have my toaster. I'm currently standing on something maybe taller to go with the camera so where I can go. I have my hot chocolate. Beep. I have my plate, bread, cheese and butter, and over here I have my toaster that I'm going to be putting it in. So first I'm going to get my bread, 3 pieces slices, go into the toaster, put them in, go ahead in my mouth, and I tighten the bread up, and I eat it again, and then make another one, I put it over there. Now for the cheese. Oh, I made that chocolate is hot. We have that much cheese left, so I'm going to use about that much cheese altogether. That's what you want to do. Let's get, and you always want to put on there. You always want to cut off the thin end. So say here, you cut off thin. Gonna cut off like very thin ends. I'm going on easy to do it now. Going down. You might want to keep checking on your toast because it can burn very, very quickly. So I just check. Nope. I always turn it around and I check too, just so I know the office. Now I've got my cheese. I haven't got much, so I've got about. See if I can put that much cheese, not including that though. I don't want to fall. That much, not including that bit. Cheese. Okay, now on my toast already. So move my cheese to the other side all the time. Ta-da! So I like them. And then get my butter. And then I got that much butter on each one. I always have in the corner, top corner, and then spread it downwards. And then I get 2, and then start from the other corner and then go downwards. Just so it works. But if you're short on butter, I always go from the middle and spread it out. That's how I like it. And then I put all my cheese on this one. Treat you like a stranger, feel some. Now I can make another one and put the butter on that one. And spread it from the middle side, top middle. And spread that out. These. Hang on, bottom side. I put this on top of my breast. So now you need to make sure now. So any little ones like people, I suggest you say add for this. You want to get a knife and you want to cut it up. I prefer cut it up in squares, no triangles, because it's just a lot easier. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This is the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like this, different kind of videos like makeup tutorials. I will be doing loads more videos like this, and posting more videos since it's near Christmas, and Christmas is my favourite thing of year. And Halloween one's coming up soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Like this video if you like hot chocolates or cheese toasties, or even both of them together, because they are so yes for me. And comment down below what videos you would like me to do, and I will see you next time. Bye!